Conflict resolution is an essential aspect of any functioning governance system. Particularly for decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, where traditional legal and administrative oversight does not exist in the same form, having an effective dispute resolution mechanism is critical. The fusion of automated resolution processes through smart contracts and human arbitration for intricate issues presents a potential blueprint for conflict resolution in DAOs. Smart contracts, essentially self-executing contracts with the terms of agreement directly written into code, play an integral role in DAOs. They automate various operations, making them swift and efficient. When it comes to dispute resolution, smart contracts can be used to address rudimentary disagreements or breaches, providing a predefined outcome based on the coded terms. For example, if there's a dispute about token distribution, the smart contract could automatically refer to the predetermined rules and distribute tokens accordingly. However, as powerful as smart contracts are, they can't solve everything. Disputes can often be multifaceted, involving subjective judgment or interpretation of rules, which smart contracts aren't equipped to handle. These complex disputes require a more nuanced approach, a human touch. Human-based arbitration steps in where automated resolution falls short. This process can involve designated arbitrators from within the DAO or from a third-party arbitration platform. These individuals would ideally have a deep understanding of the DAO's ethos, operations, and rules, combined with expertise in dispute resolution. They can assess the situation, interpret the relevant rules or agreements, and make decisions based on their judgment. To implement this dual approach to conflict resolution, DAOs could consider the following steps. Defining scope. Clearly define what kind of disputes can be resolved through smart contracts and which ones require human arbitration. This clarity can streamline the resolution process and avoid unnecessary confusion. Selection of arbitrators. Carefully consider the selection of arbitrators. They could be elected by the DAO members, appointed based on expertise, or sourced from a reliable third-party platform. They should be impartial and have a good understanding of both the technical and governance aspects of the DAO. Transparency. Maintain transparency in both the automated and human arbitration processes. All decisions should be recorded and accessible to members. This transparency can help build trust and accountability in the system. Appeal mechanism. Establish an appeal mechanism. Even with the best resolution process, there may be instances where parties disagree with the outcome. Providing a way for them to appeal decisions can ensure fairness and justice. Regular review. Regularly review and update the resolution mechanisms as the DAO evolves. Learning from past disputes and staying abreast of new technologies or best practices can help improve the process over time. By merging automated resolution with human arbitration, DAOs can create a robust and comprehensive conflict resolution system. This approach leverages the best of both worlds, utilizing the efficiency of smart contracts and the nuanced understanding of human arbitrators, offering a promising solution for maintaining harmony within DAOs.